Printing is the final and an important stage of design. So an efficient printing workflow can greatly improve designers' productivity. Two new plot modes have been added to help users complete their printing tasks with ease. These two new modes are multi-document plot and plot open drawings. In complex design projects, it's common to open many drawings simultaneously for collaborative design. With the Plot Open Drawings feature, all open drawings can be printed at once. Even if there are multiple frames in the model space, they can also be identified. This eliminates the need to print each drawing individually and thus improves the printing efficiency. Another new printing mode is multi-document plot. This feature is quite helpful when you need to print many unopened drawings. You can select specific files or folders for printing. You can preview these drawings even without opening them in ZWCAD. This option allows you to print a large number of drawings at once without opening them in ZWCAD, saving you a lot of time and energy. Additionally, we have added a new feature that allows you to select text as the file name. Select the text in a specified area as the name of the file. ZWCAD will automatically recognize the text in the same position in other frames and use them as file names. You can see the file names are the text we select in a specific area. These improvements are sure to help you complete printing tasks more effortlessly. Download ZWCAD 2024 SP and experience these improvements firsthand.